Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add payment icons to your Shopify product page in 2025. So for that, first of all, you will have to simply come on Shopify admin page, and over here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are on this type of page, you need to simply click on online store and then click on themes. Now, whichever theme you are using over here, like I'm currently using the down theme, but this theme may be different in your case. So whichever theme you are using here, simply click on the customize option right next to it. Over here in the left hand section, you will see the footer section. So here you need to first of all select your footer, and in your footer you will have to basically add a new section. So here you need to simply click on add block, and in your add block you can simply search for add payment icons. Now in some of the themes may be able to find the payment icons section here, but as you can see, if I type payment icon, it is showing me no results. So this means that in my theme the payment icon app option is not available, so you will have to add that manually. So I would recommend you to download the payment icons PNG file in the form of image and then click on the image option. Now once you see this type of image section, you just have to simply click on it, then click on the select option, select the PNG image that you have downloaded from Google, and as you can see the icons are here now. Now you can use this slider in order to adjust the length of your icon, and you can even place it in the right, center or middle. Basically you can customize it and then click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen. This way you can add payment icons. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.